Hi everyone, it's Sue and welcome back to Discovering the Art of Living. Now if you're new to my channel, click on the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified when I upload new content. So this is the first Wednesday of May and you know what that means, it's Wacky Wednesday! So if you've missed my other Wacky Wednesday challenges, click on the link above and you can see what other creative creations I've come up with. So this Wacky Wednesday is going to be a little bit different. It's actually a collaboration. So I have 3 other YouTubers who are joining me in my Wacky Wednesday challenge. They are ShineWithTammy, the Moody Artist, and B-Artsy. So I'm going to put links to their videos in the description box below. So if you could check out those videos and see what they came up with for Wacky Wednesday, that would be awesome. So our 3 unrelated craft items today for our Wacky Wednesday challenge, where I try to take 3 totally obscure items and make them into a useful and pretty home decor item, were suggested by Kyujin Comic Art. So I'll also put a link to his channel below. He's really awesome and does a lot of creative animation. So if you're interested in that, check him out as well. So Kyujin suggested that I use a canvas, some stickers, and some nail polish. So if you're ready to see what I came up with, as well as my other 3 YouTubers, let's get started. So my 3 items suggested by Kyujin Comic Art were a canvas, some nail polish, and some stickers. So I have a variety of nail polish here, and I picked a couple of colors that I thought would go with the decor item that I was looking at. And I had some inspirational stickers here that I thought I might use, as well as these little gem stickers. I also used a variety of objects to trace some circles because I thought of doing sort of a mandala. So the sticker that I decided to use for the center says, "Because of a great love, one is courageous." I thought that might be kind of fitting for what we're going through right now in our world. So I centered it on the canvas and then used my variety of circle shapes to draw some concentric circles around my saying. Then I drew some guidelines that crisscross through the center to help me make my mandala pattern. Once I had my guidelines in place, I made a variety of shapes with my nail polish and gem stickers. Now, word to the warning, you'll want to do this in a well-ventilated area as the nail polish fumes are very heavy and made me a little lightheaded after a while. I also realized that the brush with the nail polish is only one size, so I couldn't make a variety of different dots unless I used different paint brushes. So I decided just to use the brush that I had, but then use the different size gems to make different size circles. So sit back, relax, and see what I came up with.